In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram keep stopping problem or Instagram not opening problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, update Instagram if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, delete. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Instagram app. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram keeps stopping problem or Instagram not opening problem.